Hi, Vasco Ispirian from Garnish Music Production School. Today I'm going to show you the latest layout that Push has while in note mode. Step sequencer plus 32 notes. First layout is the 64 pad notes, where I can play in real time like any piano. The highlighted pad correspond to my key. I can choose from the scale menu. In this case I'm playing A flat and a minor scale. The second layout is the step sequencer, where I can make sequences in real time. The highlighted row corresponds to the root. Today I want to focus on the newest layout, which is a combination of the other ones. Melodic Sequencer plus 32 notes layout combines both step sequencer and real-time playing capabilities. Providing access to multiple octaves and steps on a single page, this layout is ideal for figuring out chords and harmonies to sequences. Bottom half of the grid lets you play notes in real time and select them for step sequencing. Each pad corresponds to one of the available pitches in the currently selected scale. Pressing a pad will select and play the note. Selected notes are represented by a lighter version of the track's color. I hope you like it and see you in the next one.